Hello guys, you are again welcome back to By Being an Engineer YouTube channel. Today we will see why we don't use second angle and fourth angle of projection. Have you ever asked yourself why we don't use second angle and fourth angle of projection? Many people are curious about this thing, that yes, we use first angle and third angle of projection, but why we don't use second angle and fourth angle of projection? To solve your problem, please stay with us. Guys, before going for second angle and fourth angle of projection, if you didn't watch our video on first angle and third angle of projection, I will recommend you to watch that video first and then come here. You can go there by pressing I button above also. Now let's start. This is our quadrant system. This is horizontal plane, this is vertical plane, and this is XY line. Now in first angle of method, this is the object, this is observer, and these are the views of the object. Now here I will explain you in more depth how we plot this on paper. Consider we rotate this horizontal plane by 30 degree in clockwise direction. Now this will look like this. Now again rotate by 30 degree. Again more by 30 degree, means total we have rotated this horizontal plane by 90 degree clockwise direction to plot these views on a single paper. Now these views will come like this: XY line, front view and top view. Similarly, in third angle of projection, object will be here, observer is here, and these are the views. Again, if we rotate this horizontal plane by 90 degree, these views will come on paper like this: XY line, front view and top view. Now our real question comes that why not second and fourth angle of projection? We will draw one more quadrant system here. In case of second angle of projection, object is in second quadrant. Again, observer is here only, looking towards the object like this. Now we will draw its views. It will come like this. It's a front view and it's a top view. Now to plot this on a single paper, we have to again rotate this horizontal plane by 90 degree clockwise. We will go again here step by step. Rotate this horizontal plane by 30 degree. It will come like this. Again 30 degree. Now again 30 degree. So we have total rotated by 90 degrees. Now I will plot these views on a single paper. This is a XY line, this is a front view, and this is a top view. Now do you got your answer? Why don't we use second angle and fourth angle of projection? Here in second angle and fourth angle of projection, both front view and top view gets overlapped. Because of this overlapping, you won't be able to read drawing. Similarly, for fourth angle of projection, object is here in fourth quadrant. It's a front view, it's a top view, and we rotate this horizontal plane by 90 degree clockwise. Again, we will plot these views on a single paper. This is a XY line, it's a front view, and it's a top view. Again here also we are getting overlapped views. So our conclusion is, in second angle and fourth angle of projection we get overlapped views. Because of this, we don't use second angle and fourth angle of projection. Guys, if you think this video was informative, please like it, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel.